If you have medical bills on your current credit report, you'll be happy to know that the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau recently finalized a rule that will require all three credit bureaus to remove any debts related to medical bills from your credit reports. Let's talk about it. This latest ruling from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is a huge win for American consumers. This new rule is going to impact over 15 million Americans, which collectively currently have $49 billion worth of medical bills on their credit reports. And it is insane that this number is that high. As we all know, here in the United States, we have a huge crisis when it comes to the cost of healthcare as well as the cost to have health insurance. You can have health insurance and still cannot afford to go to the doctor because it will cost you a lot of money between co-insurance, deductibles, co-pays, out-of-pocket maximums. You legitimately need a degree to understand how to decipher how health insurance works. And whether you have health insurance or not, it becomes so expensive to go to the doctor, and many Americans end up with a lot of medical bills. And in some situations, it's a crippling amount of medical debt. And it ends up going into collections, which then goes to the credit report. And now it's going to negatively impact those credit scores. So with this new rule going into effect, this will no longer be an issue. And I love this statement that was made by a director over at the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. They said people who get sick shouldn't have their financial future upended, and I totally agree. And to take it one step further, the Bureau did some research and they noticed that individuals who did not pay medical bills does not correlate to them not paying their other bills as well. So they found that many individuals were being denied for things like home loans and car loans, all due to medical bills, even if everything else on their credit report had good payment history. What they also discovered in their research is many of the medical debts that individuals have on their credit reports are either one, bills that should have been paid by their insurance carrier in the first place, or two, there are debts that people don't actually even owe. But unfortunately, many people are not proactively working on their credit or paying attention to their credit reports. The debt goes on the credit report, it negatively impacts their scores, and it sits on the report for about 7 years. With this new rule going into effect, it should help millions of Americans see their credit scores improve once these medical debts are deleted from their credit reports.